girl. Hey, it's your girl Shondy. Welcome back to my channel. Today is day 24 of Vlogcember, and since we didn't get a chance to go skating the other day, we are going to go ahead and we didn't go skating yesterday. We're gonna go ahead and do it today. Go ice skating today, and I think we're gonna go bowling. Take the kids bowling. And of course, we just have our child, our two kids, the two youngest, Braylon and Kaylin, and then we're gonna have our niece, Aubrey. We're supposed to have Ashton, aka Chucky, but he went to sleep on us, y'all, and had the nerve to tell us don't wake him up. He said don't bother him. So, yes, we tried to wake him up, and he said no. And snatched the covers back over his face because he did not want us interrupting his little sleep that he had. Now, we kept telling him all day, like, are you going out with us? And he kept saying, yeah, he was going with us. But apparently, he ain't going with us, y'all. So, I know he gonna be mad when he find out. But, yeah, we're gonna go take the kids out, have a little fun before we go back home tomorrow. So, that's what we gonna do in ATL. See y'all at the bowling alley.
Y'all hit the 5 battery.
53. All right.
Finally walking up the steps.
Where's your coat?
Where's Braylon?
Well, I don't know.
Oh, he's right there.
So, where?
Come on. Y'all ready? Cross street?
What?
Come on, come on.
Where is he?
He went back in.
He went back in because he's standing outside.
Trying to make sure they know where we going.
Here?
Yeah. Come on, next door. Why the door so heavy? We made it, shoot, trying to find a park. It was packed trying to find a park.
Wow.
We got a little game.
Up all night with dreams of you by my side. Hearts intertwined in love's sweet ride. Days roll by so slow, wishing you were here.
Crystal got the little Helene.
That's not how you gonna take it.
Dead to erase you. I wanted to forget you. Brain is not in service, head is on the surface. I don't want to do this. Oh, I need to be more patient. Let me be your patient. We can have a session. Oh, crush mental strain. Oh, quit playing games. Crush mental strain. Oh, quit playing games. I wanted to erase you. I wanted to forget you. Brain is not in service, head is on the surface. I Every little thing you do, it's all for something true. From the heart we give it all. Love's the answer, big or small. We do it for love, every rise and fall. We'll stand above, together through it all. Every little thing you do, it's all for something true. From the heart, we give it all. Love's the answer, big or small. We do it for love, every rise and fall. We'll stand above, together through it all. Love is quiet, steady and true. It's always here between me and you. No words needed, it's clear to see this unchanging love eternally. Love is quiet, steady and true. It's always here between me and you. No words needed, it's clear to see.
Okay, y'all, so we did not go ice skating. We made it over there, as you can see, but we didn't get a chance to skate. How about we waited 10 minutes for this lady? Nobody was there. We waited 10 minutes at the desk, signed the waivers, waiting for somebody to come help us, to assist us. She finally come out, like she had a little attitude. And after we've been waiting there for 10 minutes, and well, nobody, was just us. Next thing you know, a whole lot of more people was coming to give their skates back and get their shoes. How about she took, it was about like, what, 6 people in line? She took all their skates from them to give them their shoes while we sat right there. We was the first people in line. She literally got everybody else behind us except us. So we're just sitting there for another 5 minutes, like. And so we ended up not skating because she ended up, like 2 people she did it to. One lady, she supposed to gave her some,
turn right on 8th Street.
her shoes was tan, but she got her some black shoes. And the lady was like, those are not my shoes. Like, what type of system do y'all have that y'all giving people the wrong pair of shoes? That don't make sense. So yeah, we're like, no, not gonna happen.
She's on her camera. Hang up.
Yeah, so we're like, that's not gonna happen, because if you already mistaking people's shoes and you did this to not one person but 2 people already, oh yeah, that means y'all just sticking any people's shoe size inside. Like, let's say somebody's size 10, you're just sticking that shoe on any shoe cubby that's a 10, and just you're grabbing whatever just say 10 when you're trying to return the shoes back. You don't even care whose shoe is what. Like, y'all don't have no system or no ticket to tell you what person's shoe is what. Oh no, that ain't gonna work for us. So we was like, no, because obviously my husband has some Jordans on, my son has some Jordans on, my daughter had Jordans on. They was like, yeah, no, they not gonna be stealing our shoes. So yeah, we just end up leaving. But that's Atlanta for y'all folks. Atlanta, as y'all know, is home of the scammers. I know these Atlanta people gonna be hating me for saying
I understand how come to work mad.
It's just,
and you applying for this job. Don't come to work then. Don't work then.
I don't know what was wrong with her, why she was so upset.
That makes no sense to me. People come to work mad. Why are you coming to work mad? These are your personal problems at home. And if you're mad at the job, don't go to the job. Find another one. You apply for the job. That makes no sense to me. Literally makes no sense. I can be mad at my job all I want to, but I know, guess what's paying my bills. I don't want to get nobody a crappy attitude about it. I applied for the job. I knew what I was getting into. It wasn't no surprise. Like it's a surprise. Every day you walk in this job, you get mad because, man, I got to be here. I could have been at home. Quit. Take a vacation. You can't take vacations? Call off. Like normal people do. We call off. That's so stupid to me.
But she was irritating me. So we
Like
ended
I
up
said,
just not
I'm telling you
going.
right now, I'm not arguing with nobody that makes less than me. Simple as that. I'm not.
It ain't about that, but
Yeah.
still, it's just that no, y'all, it was not worth it. We was kind of upset because we did come down here to ice skate, and already the second time we're trying to ice skate, it didn't work out. So we're going to probably have to just take. Well, Kaylin's gonna be here for the rest of the winter break, but probably us and Braylon and Kaylin and K-Brian, we'll probably in the summer. K-Brian, Aaliyah, and Braylon, we'll probably take them ice skating in Nashville because they have a rink out there in Nashville. It's just, of course, it's a drive, but
it's a lot bigger.
We'll do it. Yeah, it's way bigger too. So we'll just probably take them there so they can go ice skating. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get us something to eat at the spot we usually go whenever we come to Atlanta, which is Tin Lizzy. So we're gonna go there now, and then I guess go back to the house.
These smoke shops are loud, boy.
Go back and bother Ashton since he would wake up for us. This sucks. And it's just so congested down here, y'all. Look at this traffic. Just look. It's like no matter where you go, you just stuck. Everywhere is taking way longer than it should out here. And that's becoming irritating, but it's Atlanta. It's overcrowded. We know this. All right, see y'all at Tin Lizzy.
It's a plum biscuit right here. That's crazy.
Hey, were you recording?
Guys, yeah. Can I say like the restaurant? Yeah. Tin Lizzy. Y'all got our drinks.
Don't you got your own YouTube account?
Yeah. Braylon. You got it. Oh my god. You got
You
it.
and Aubrey don't be making
You got
videos?
Aubrey. You got Sir. You got Daddy over here.
Y'all don't make videos?
Speaking of that, man, I gotta figure out how to start recording on PC.
I thought you was going to start a hoodie line.
A what?
A hoodie line? T-shirt line.
That was a couple years ago.
Well, I'm going to say what happened to that.
I don't know.
It'll definitely be a hit.
I don't think we just didn't get a picture or whatever, image or whatever, and then I don't want to stay up. Yeah, we got you caught up on other stuff.
I know guys, they know that they're big around together. They got to get
I say that drink is disrespectful.
Love is that's the thing about who I'm on, and they love definitely that.
That was different. You know what you're doing. So we got, look, we got Thomas on being played, you got BGW playing, and you got what's being played, ATL was. Yes.
Yup. Look, wait up, mama. She ain't paying. She ain't paying no attention to us at all. She on her phone.
I swear to God, 2 weeks ago, it was just getting his phone. I'm gonna say someone like the Raiders.
All right, y'all, we are back from our little escapades today. So we did go bowling, as y'all saw. Didn't get a chance to ice skate because of some rude people. We went to Tin Lizzy and ate. But overall, we did have a good time today. Tomorrow we leave. I don't know what we got planned tomorrow, but we do leave. Other than that, that's it. So I'll probably wrap this vlog up for today for our ATL vlog. I don't know what we're gonna do tomorrow, so nobody. But other than that, we had a great time today. She's trying to help me get some heat in here because it's cold. All right, see y'all later. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you can be notified every time that I post. And see you tomorrow for day 25, I think. Something like that. Bye.